Good morning. We're on the south coast of England, the sun is shining, and behind me is the Rampion offshore wind farm. So episode 377 is going to be about renewable energy. So there are many different things that we could talk about renewable energy. First of all, Rampion offshore wind has a capacity of 400 megawatts. If the wind blew every day, every hour, that would translate into about 3,500 gigawatt hours of electricity. However, we know renewables, or certain renewables, are intermittent, and this wind farm is actually responsible for about 1,400 gigawatt hours, or 40% of its actual capacity. We also should know that regardless of your view of what the merit order of energy looks like in the future, or the energy mix of the future, there's a consensus that we need more electrification, and that electrification needs to come from renewables. So renewables are extremely important in the energy transition. But the focus of our episode today is going to be on energy attribute certificates. In the UK, we call them renewable energy guarantees of origin. Over the sea, across on the continent of Europe, we call them guarantees of origin, and most of the rest of the world, they're called renewable energy certificates. Energy attribute certificates are instruments that helps provide a price signal that measures the supply and demand of renewable energy. A renewable energy project should never be converted into a tonne of carbon. Renewable energy has no carbon. Additionality is a bogus concept for renewable energy. We need more electrification, and we need that electrification to come from renewables. So we need a price signal to tell us what the supply and demand is, and we also need that attribute to incentivize the deployment of capital towards renewable energy. We should not reduce the economic incentive to deploy renewables. And avoidance as a concept is a wonderful thing. Avoidance is not bad. In the same way that the cleanest megawatt hour is the one that we don't use, the second best megawatt hour is the one that comes from renewable energy, and we need a lot more of it.
We can take this outside. Looking at the stars, gotta hold my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody tell me it's time. Every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask how you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Sustainability Sessions, at People, Planet, Prosperity.